Hello everyone, welcome back once again. I hope everyone is doing well. I came from college just now and I just started the vlog. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do now. So come with me in the kitchen. I'm thinking to make some chapati again now. So I thought to share with you all. First of all, I'm going to apply this all over my face. This is the aloe vera. Because of the sunlight, my face got brown. That's why I'm going to apply this. Yes, aloe vera is very good for our skin. I'm done guys. I'm not going to wash this. I'll just keep like this. Aloe vera is very good for our skin. It doesn't have any side effect. Okay, so now let's go to the kitchen. I'm going to make chapati. This is flour, okay? I don't want to eat food now. I feel like eating chapati, so I've taken this much. You can see. This is flour. I'm going to make paneer roti. We used to call paneer roti, okay? I don't know what to say this, so I'll show you by making. Okay, come. I'm adding sugar. I'm pouring water. I'm going to make paneer roti, so I'm pouring a lot of water. I'm going to mix it like this for a few minutes. This is how it looks like. So guys, it's done. I'll show you from the back camera. Guys, this is how it looks like. Pani pani ase. तेल गरम गरेसे. Looking like an egg. Yeah, I think it's done. This is the second time I'm going to add.
A few moments later.
Yes, it's done, and you can see this is how it looks like. It's very tasty to eat. So I'm going to have this. It's very soft and it's very good to eat. The sunlight reflecting direct here.
This is my Bobby.
Hi, so guys, I'm done eating and now I'm going to eat fried rice. Simple fried rice. So guys, I'm done eating my lunch and yeah, I'm just sitting in the room. It's evening now. Now I'm thinking to go and wash my face. Why? Because before I've applied aloe vera on my face, I should go and wash. The fresh air is so good. Here I have my water. About to make omelette for dinner, so I'm mixing the egg. I'm going to have my dinner. So here I'm making my omelette. Let's run this. These are chili. Kala kan chili ase. Rice. This is egg fry and chutney, and this is onion and dal It's very simple curry. I've taken a lot of dal. Why? Because I can't eat food without dal. The curry is very simple, but it's very tasty. और ये मून देखो इतना सुंदर दिख रहा है. Guys, I'm done eating food. और अब मैं वर्कशॉप करेगा. ये देखो बहुत अंधेरा है. From here I'm going to workshop. All alone for What happened, Bobby? क्यों शेकिल लग रहे से? My gosh, बहुत ठंडा है guys. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. This was just a random vlog, but I hope you all enjoy watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and love you all.